pick that up. KC tool. Let's see any more stickers. Wait, it's the workbench. Alright, we made it to the workbench. That's great. Let's see. Looks like there's a box here. Probably need a knife for wait, what? Harbor Freight. Join the conversation. What's going on here? 1 second. Let's try to get this light position a little better for us. Stick it up there. Beautiful. Alright, well, for some reason the lights won't work and then there's a string of stickers, but looks like we have ourselves a bit of a tool haul here. Perfect for Halloween, I suppose. Let's see here. I don't have any paperwork that I can see, but there. Let's see. Alright, so what do we have? Looks like 9-piece multicolored Torx keys. We have these already. It's not Vera. What sort of Chinesian junk is this? Okay, well, whatever. This will be the next Vera box. Looks like we got maybe a ratcheting. That's a Triform. Okay, hey. I'll take the Triform Turbo. Maybe we could do a giveaway since it'll be number 2 for us. V-Hub? No. What is that? Don't even know what that is. Okay. Knipex blue, that's probably Ghidorah. Let's check. Oh yeah, that's what we want right there. I don't think you can see that with the poor lighting, but it says it's grip pliers, which is going to be fantastic. These are some of the best you can get. Let's see if we can one-hand this here. I haven't needed the knife yet. That's good news. I hope I have to stab something here shortly. They don't have black and yellow. It's more Chinesium. What the heck's going on in here? Okay, Knipex. This is gonna be good. What do we have? Do we know their part numbers? 73, 71, 180. I am inclined to say that's the Super Snips, isn't it? Maybe. Okay, wait. Which one? The second number indicates the handle style. So maybe this is the 2-component? What? Flash rusted Chinesium? It's not Knipex. Oh, Viha. Okay. A little leery because the box is open, but there's got to be some point to this madness, right? It's one of those things that test your perseverance, see how you can endure real challenges and struggles in life. One of which, doing everything one-handed. Let's see what we have here. Okay, part number. Oh, need a part number. 7. Okay, hey. The hollow shaft nut drivers. Oh yeah. Here we go. Mainly use the Chinesium screwdriver. That's not Viha. Quinn? Nobody buys Quinn. What? Oh. Okay, so we are golden now. I see what's going on. Some sort of a cruel Halloween prank going on here, right? It's not Viha, it's not Knipex, it's not Ghidorah, it's not Vera. KC Tool Haul. Here we go. And that's why we needed the knife. Alright, okay. I get you now. Let's open this thing up. Okay, here, by the way, this is the Ballistol'd knife, it looks like, which obviously correlates to one of the worst things you could ever find. The Ballistol'd spill. And slice and dice this sucker here, pop her open. And this knife, oh. Okay, alright. Typically a KC tool would have this in like a plastic bag, but hey, I'm not going to argue. So let's open her up. They sent us out something cool. I don't remember ordering Stavilla wrenches. I did want some SAE ones. What? It's not Stavilla. It feels... Drop forged steel, 1/2 inch. 14 millimeter. What is that? 5/8? This isn't even in order. It's not Stavilla. The frick? Bag is nice, at least. Chalk that one up. Okay. So what's going on here? It's just all elaborate packing, part of the hook. Okay. Oh, well, very funny. I'm just praying there's like, you know, a new bit Max Pro Plus or something in here. Oh. Oh. Okay. Get that box out of here. This is it, gentlemen. This is what we waited for. Okay. Alright. Get this, get my paws with one-handed here. Oh. Okay. Alright. Now, if you're a veteran viewer of the channel, you already know. We don't have this. Hollow shaft V-Hot nut drivers way back with the Stavilla. I still don't know what's up with that wrench set, but we do have pouches like that. I guess part of the cruel joke. This right here, though, that's the 916 HP LG. All right, this is, you know, the classic 916 HP, which many of you have, but this is the adjustable, the extendable. That's crazy. And I don't have this sucker. I was on sale recently at KC Tool. Let's see here. We gotta get the knife. There we go. Cut this over here. 2 sides. Got her. Okay. All right. It's pretty light. Like I would think this would have been heavier. I don't feel like there's much in it. I'll try to do this one-handed. The big unveiling for you. What? Okay. We seriously do not have this ratchet. Kind of can't justify purchasing it because we have the Vegador and the Veribird, so I guess it's like double packed. That's the 916. So this is the 916 HP box. I guess maybe it like fits in there, some sort of like an Easter egg or something. Is this opened? This one's been opened. Okay, don't have to cut it anyway. All right, so we've been screwed on everything. Fantastic Halloween Eve here for us, right? All right, so this is it. This is the moneymaker right here. It's got to be. I don't know if it's the extendable. I would think it would be longer. I suppose it could be that small to begin, maybe standard size, and then it extends out all the extra. That's probably what it is. Double pack, kind of like an Easter egg deal or something. Maybe there's like a sticker in there too. No. No. Ooh, 2 component? No hyperfine gear? It's Chinesium junk! No!